Why? Normally we say all is well, but right now all is not well to what me have here.
Yeah.
You know, it's really sad news to really hear what happened.
Yeah.
That your mom passed away.
You don't make me feel that.
Understand. Sure. So you know really have to you know have to go back in it then, you know. You know have to go back in it still. Okay, caught me by surprise. It's come by quite surprise, you know, quite surprising. You know, to one time I get the call, I couldn't believe when time I hear them say Miss Chai passed away.
When I take the time
What's strong, uncle?
I don't say no. Don't do it. Them not early. That is the problem.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Blessing.
I give thanks, yo.
Why? Normally we say all is well, but right now all is not well to what me have here.
Yeah.
You know, it's really sad news to really hear what happened.
Yeah.
That your mom passed away.
Only we know for that girl straight because it's through them ups and downs and things.
I thought who that?
Stepfather.
Your stepfather. I was sitting there here now.
Yeah, man. Trevor!
So how you cope?
Yeah, man, I try to hold on because we can't take it too hard still. No, we don't come in. Kino. Can't take it too hard because...
Yes, viewers, our extended family, as they can see, remember this year, you know, Peter here and his mom, Miss Joy, passed away. Blessed uncle. Blessed, you know, our condolence goes out, you know, really upsetting to hear the sad news of Miss Joy, you know, passed away. You know, because Peter said, you could really give an update on what going on and everything. But you know, it's really tough. It's really tough.
Work on that though. You don't make me feel that way.
I understand. Sure.
For me? Baby.
How are you doing?
He don't know where the weakness you come from. I'm just weak.
You feel weak?
Body just weak. I just tell Peter something I know.
Yeah, man, that's a
If
feeling.
you want some tonic or something, if me can drink, I'm waiting.
Vicatanto.
Vicatanto. I don't know if I can drink that through me have the sugar.
Do you have the sugar?
Yes.
You don't have to ask the doctor.
I don't even know one name so. How one name so?
One tonic, man, one tonic.
One tonic
Yes,
yeah,
man, a
bigger
muscle
than
man.
two make you feel good.
Yeah, most of man pan it.
You understand?
Okay.
Me tell you, say, me feel weak. Them a quarrel with me. I say I lie down, me I lie down too much. But
Yeah,
I how me feel.
Yeah.
That's
You
what
know,
the
I
fight.
how me feel.
You feel to relax. a bit.
Yes, me just feel to get up and lie down. Me glad me had a tree right. Me lie down most time. I don't know what to do.
You just feel weak.
Me just feel weak, you know, weak. Me I tell you, say weak. Ah, God.
I have $90,000 for you.
Count it for me now. God, yeah.
Okay, so I have $90,000 from Don and Tony.
Sean and
No,
Tony.
Don and Tony. So Don and Tony is from Demontown and they live in Brooklyn. They live in New York now. So they're originally from Demontown and they live in the US. You know, and she's a
Don and Tony.
They're a regular donor to the program as well.
God. Don and Tony. Thank you so much. Thank you. Many thanks. Of me store basket, me never empty. Thank you again. I don't even know how much thanks to give you. Thank you, Jesus. God, it's God, and Him bless you. Bless you. And thank you
Yeah.
for this.
So we give thanks to Don and Tony. So baby is going to count it and put it in.
Dan and Tony, thank you very much. Many thanks.
Then there's all the animals that will be counted for you.
10, 15, 20, 25, 61,
Oh God.
62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 81, 82, 83, 84, 86, 87, 88, 89.
90 thanks. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you for this. Oh, Jesus. Thank you very much. Oh, your basket may never empty. Trust me.
Dan and Tony. So
Dan and Tony. Where them look, man, daddy?
Pray.
Where name, man?
Oh, Sam.
Sam. Lord. Thank you very much, Kino. Thanks very much.
Sam passed away, you know, really sad.
You say when me hear, man, me feel it.
Yeah.
Always sing like Canada, you know.
Yeah. There are a lot of people feel it, you
You
know.
know, Moschino,
A lot of people
you
feel
know,
it.
everybody have to go one day, but him just, you know,
Really sad, you know.
sad.
Sad. That's it, you know. Mommy, Happy New Year too.
Happy New Year, me no see no all along.
May I tell you?
Yeah, man, me I take sick.
Blessed. Yeah.
Drop down hospital, Lord Jesus, Kino, me say, holy person.
Yeah.
Yes, man, me go down there, me appointment, the Lord. And by the time them call me, Kino, me hear Budung go. And me say, the one thing with them nice. Them over me. And then put me on the chair.
Yeah.
And put something on my hand them. And carry me over emergency part. And 4 saline then give me Kino. Four them admit me. I said to here also, you know. But blessed, thank you Jesus, thank you Kino.
Yeah, man.
Thank you for remember we up here with your blessing of this food. And I thank the donor them who provide it for we. people, all of us who get, thank you, Jesus.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go on
very
with the
much.
faith and hopefully, you know, something
Yes,
will
man.
happen. So you know really have to, you don't have to go back tonight then, you know. You don't have to go back tonight still. Because it caught me by surprise.
You man can't talk about my surprise right now, man.
Can't go doctor Monday. What doctor? Son never can't go doctor. Come back. Where you talk about? Well, them time here. Friday morning. Come walk through one. She go right this one stand up and just as it was. So. Anyway, because you just come off of the drip. I'm gonna stand up to go walk up and down now. You know, fall down. I said, Barney. She go in, she called me and said, she wants something to eat. Which, before I leave up a doctor, the doctor did give me a water and cinnamon bread. And she eat. And she come and I did look about steamed fish in the morning. And I left some. She come back, she eat. And she inside there and she drink water. And she inside there, the man picking them in there, laughing around. So after that now, we everybody kinda go in now, say them a go sleep. So me come back outside at the 10 o'clock there. I sit down right there up on the bench. Right down some stump on the bench. Like a man say get up and me get up and me go in. Don't even take off my clothes, you know, me go right side her and lie down. About nearly 12 o'clock. I feel when she grab me. When the grab me, I just jump off at the bed same time and say, what happened to you now, mommy? But the whole bed wet up. So I say, I pee up the bed. No answer, and I ball out for Shasha. By the time we, like, you know, you come off and me go there, so you realize that she had come off of the bed. So when she come down, so now I feel the weight, and I say, Shasha, we'll put him up, Mark, and Shasha said, no, your bed wet up. I said, no business, I spread that towel and put on in clothes and say, come, we have that. They were about night, 12 o'clock. And about, we left us about 1 o'clock. We put down the hospital. Them give her a drip. When Shasha them come out about 15 minutes to 6. It's about 15 minutes to 6 them come out. And say them put her pan drip and put her on a bed. So me say alright. So what we are going to do? Sean come and give me a paper and say, I have to buy her, but him have to carry Shasha go here. So me come up with them, go down back by 8 o'clock, get everything and go upstairs, come back down, go back to the doctor and come back down. And we leave and come up and by 11 o'clock me reach back down there. I go to see her with the drip and she have on the mask on her face, but it's like she want to take it off but them tie her hand.
Yeah.
And I see motor.
I move.
And I say, what up in her eye she look. By the time he could have did that, I say, rally around her everything. It's security come. Time you left the water, that's me, I have to get it in her hand. Come down. Sean go down the Tuesday. When Sean go down the Tuesday, I the same clothes that we came down in a Monday. I each have so Sean cut it off of him and tell me if he bring and me bring and he put on and so me go down the Wednesday. That that's the solution. Me I see Panara, me I say to them, say, you understand how mommy if you get water and she not get no water. She not have no drip is under the oxygen. So she did ask a lady to come assist me from where work there. So she come in, me and she book up same time. Take him off. Take off everything and I put on him night, in dust and everything for him. When he realized, a nurse come and say, she will go do the head scan, CT. And me and the porter them you know because one of the porter even get rank with one of the doctor woman way over the counter. Because she I go tell him say if you push her in a wheelchair. Which the porter say a bed she feel lie down pan go down there so. 3 minutes to 6.
I thought when them call you. Thursday morning,
3 minutes to 6, and when we go there, the nurse woman I go say she did 5 minutes ago. Same how me left mommy Wednesday, at the same way me go back go see him. Same how me throw the towel cross with him, the same way me go back go see him. Same how me put in hand, I same when me go back to see. So me can't, nobody no pay no attention to her.
Yeah, nobody at all.
Nobody at all no pay no attention to him. Need that doctor and nurse and do nothing to me. Shana good when Tuesday morning go find food in her mouth where she can't share. Her plate in the bag right now. Now. Shana to dig it out of her mouth.
Yeah.
She, the right side dead.
So stroke should have.
She gets
Strokes.
So she can't do nothing. And then you tie this hand here so she
Worried.
she worried.
Yeah.
Her head sets up. Why do you do that? And a bed where them put her pan. And not in my bed where you can lift up the head. So it's a carton box we have to put underneath the bed.
For ice it up.
We ice it up. Carton box.
Chacha. It's really, really sad for you, this, you know?
Mommy dead. And a nigger full farm in a pub. So we have money to go fight government with this with those activities. We have money to go fight government. But they might tell you say this happened to her and that happened to her. The first thing they might go and tell you say I poor kill her. But everything now you're going to hospital in a public, they not pay enough, then say a COVID.
I say a COVID.
That them have. And that them do. Most people who know Auntie Diane say Ray, they say I couldn't foreign this happen.
No, because the care
Foreign this happen.
care are much more better, you know.
You go in there and then you realize you have get a stroke. That's the quickest thing you have to go straight in. I was telling me saying that pneumonia, and got this one is stomach and got this, and I'm not good to go see no cute.
So when she up on the bed at the strokes, should they get again? So how much strokes should they get now?
Mommy get 2 strokes. 2 strokes. And get a minor when you can go to the doctor and then look after him and she come back here walking. But the other one taking in the night. So
In the night.
So it look like if she get the next one down a public.
Nah, mouth part.
Monday, her mouth never lean on you. And me take off the mask and rub down the face. when me go Wednesday, me more daily turn. Daily turn. Understand me?
So it's really, really sad for you.
More time, me just get up out of here.
And work. Just to try to clear your mind.
Just to clear my mind. I tell the people them say, anytime they see me come out at night time, I just go walk it out. But me want sleep now, I'm free that now.
Very shocking because it's so sudden, you know. One time I hear, I couldn't even believe, like, it was so sudden. I mean, know it really come to a shock, you know, so sudden to the viewers, them, you know, because I really truly miss for no one say, yo, we see our arty on the program, you know, and last time I come on, she feel alright and everything, you know, and this just take her within a split seconds, everything just happened just like that. You know, just like that. It's come by quite surprise, you know, quite surprising. You know, to one time I get the call, I couldn't even believe when time I hear them I say Miss Chai pass away.
When you take the guitar, the kid.
All strong uncle. It's all strong man, you know. You know what's the pain we I go through, like, it's really tough.
And he died, I said no. Not to he didn't die. That is the problem.
The attention them never look at her. You know, the attention them never really look at her, you know, at first and when she down there. Because if him say him go back and it's a food in her mouth and then put him there and she on the same thing.
Dig it out, mackerel and
Which way she not supposed to get that? Wait a minute to get the back of food.
back of food are good. Shana fi take syringe
Intel me.
and pump juice in her mommy's mouth.
Mm.
Water. Me good there. It's a nurse make a cup for her some water. Then have no cup of the big bottle of water the woman I go to pull, you know. They put her mouth, you know. The lady why a pretty bed and kick you over. That's where the tea where them have them. They go see tea, porridge and everything put up man. That means say nobody now go they go feed her. Nobody not go in there go feed her.
And your husband now for much years? 27 years. I really, really feel it. It's really, really sad, you know. That's why I don't say. Well, I don't even know if it's with this health care in Jamaica. I don't know if it's with down there, so.
I see my friends say to me Monday evening, me stop and I tell him. He say, man, oh you know come up here that I tried it. Oh you know come go and tell me, he say try it. The way how we feel. He say me really not see Shannon or nothing, and he go tell him. Why me Shannon told Shannon? Yeah, see. And try to say 2 women dead 2 days ago round there. One dead Friday, one dead Saturday and a public airport. They going like together they dead tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
So it's like something.
Yeah, something we done in public.
We done that. Try to say look after him, you know, when them in data come find him. I you see him data carrying go. I saw come he could have heard to come out and not talk.
Yeah.
Nobody now look for nobody. Nobody now look for nobody.
Right,
Look up on the
Mr.
ward. You're supposed to see if a 5 nurse, you're supposed to see 3 of the lady where we're the pin from. You don't see none. You don't see none.
Miss Jai, I got truly miss me, not lie. Normally, I come here and she say, Kino, Wagwan. You know, long time we don't see you.
Miss on the same day,
Of course, man, she really like a miss.
The same day, you know, it's like,
She really
right now if you're going to the house and look at me walk past, so
yeah, she really like a miss, man, because I see her up on the veranda here, so I would have see her on her back part there, so And she just come joyful.
Them time of evening, you see come out and I take bucket of water.
Yeah. And I said, Kino, I go put on mango for you, you know. And all the little thing this time. Our condolence goes out to the family, me I tell you, it's really sad. You know, it's really sad. You know, we keep on I get these RIP, you know. We have last 3, we have Natisha, we have the lady Angela. You know.
Yeah.
And we have natural mother the other day as well too.
Natural, yeah.
And now we have Miss Jai. You know, it's so sad. Oh.
I try to take it the best way I can.
I have to just hold it strong, you know.
I mean, I pick me them, so I just have to take it. Sometimes when I want to go on the road, go do something, I just go do it and come back home.
So what I'm going to keep you up to date, you know, because if anyone wanna bless, you know, towards, you know, the setup, or towards the funeral, if anyone wanna reach out and bless towards, you know, we highly appreciate it, you know, because I'm say Jai was a fan favorite on the program, and everybody like her pleasantness about her, you know.
I'm a Jai.
Man, joyful, man. You know, Mama Jai is very joyful, you know.
I want a lady who come from St. Thomas for a drive, and I see her last
Joyful. It touched me, you know, it really touched me deep down. Yeah.
Country.
Boy, I went to have a bury at the same time. Because even right now, you know, everybody at tell me say, get it done for Sunday. Nobody will not Saturday. Get it done for Sunday.
The church in the morning, but we can't church to the church.
That's the truth. Sister Taylor Church. They must say nobody with that. Make them come tell you that. The support where we want to give Auntie Jai, most of them people where they work up with their man.
So you have to go do it on a Sunday?
Yeah, them say do it on a Sunday because some people have them things to do on Saturday.
Yeah. And I'm going to come give her support.
Plan for that.
So I'm not getting no date yet?
No.
Alright then, just keep me up to date, you know, as I say. I'm going to take on the road, see me and we'll catch up.
Yeah, man.
You know, and just...
She had the up to date person.
Yeah, man, Mother Teresa. So she... Yeah, man.
So
Peter, go on, hold strong, see me here.
Yeah, man.
Our condolence goes out, you know.
Whoa.
Yeah, man.
I'm the running.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Looking at me.
Yeah, man. Alright, then hold it, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.